60 divided by 12 equals 5. 15 times 5 equals 75, and 75 divided by 75 equals 1. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have multiple operators present. We have a couple of division operators, we have a multiplication operator, but we do have parentheses present too. And according to the rules, parentheses have highest priority. So let's solve what we have inside parentheses. We have 60 divided by 12, that gives us 5. And our expression simplifies to 75 divided by 15 times 5. And now if you notice, we have division and multiplication operators present in this expression, and the rules say multiplication and division are on the same level of priority, but we must work from left to right. So we must solve this division first, and 75 divided by 15 gives us 5, and finally 5 times 5 gives us 25, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.